March home sales in Metro Vancouver slowed dramatically to hit the lowest level since 1986. According to the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, sales were down more than 31% compared to the same time last year. The drop is even more dramatic looking at the last decade. Last month's sales were 46% below the 10-year average for March.
Affordability is certainly a factor. However, there's a lot of hesitation in the market right now. There is some nervousness. So a lot of buyers are simply waiting on the sidelines and seeing what happens.
The board's president believes a big part of that hesitation stems from newly introduced housing measures from all levels of government.
The property transfer tax, school taxes, the speculation tax, empty home tax. Different policies are affecting different buyers in different ways. So borrowing policies are impacting more the entry level of the market, whereas some taxes are definitely impacting the higher end of the market.
BC's finance minister is confident their affordability plan is working.
Well, I've said all along we're looking for a moderation, and that's what we're seeing.
Carole James says it'll take some time to see the full effect of a range of policies. But are these numbers showing the intended desire? I mean, if home sales are stalling, but prices aren't dropping, is that really getting more British Columbians into affordable homes?
Well, you're not going to see a huge change overnight, but I think we're having some positive effect. You're slowly starting to see a bit of an uptick in vacancy rates. We're going to be watching it very closely.
Also watching the numbers closely are realtors.
I'm working 7 days a week, taking buyers out almost every day. So definitely you're just as busy, I would say, as always. It's just a lot harder to put a deal together.
He says the market is in a holding pattern while buyers and sellers wait to see what happens with home prices.
Buyers are obviously not willing to pay as much today. They want a discount. They see the writing on the wall. And then you have sellers that are still, a lot of them are, dreaming up these sky-high prices that just aren't realistic in today's environment.
Prices are starting to drop as well. The average price for all types of homes in Metro Vancouver is down to just over $1 million. That's nearly 8% lower than last year. It's unclear, though, just how low prices will have to go to get buyers off of the sidelines and into the housing market. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Victoria.